Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're going to make a wild berry frozen pie. Let the whipped topping defrost to room temperature. Crush 3 packs of graham crackers into small pieces and place evenly on the bottom of a Pyrex. In a large mixing bowl, add vanilla pudding mix, whole milk, and mix for 2 minutes, set aside. The pudding will set in 5 minutes. Prep your berries, set aside. Once the pudding is set, fold in the whipped topping, Greek yogurt, strawberries, blueberries, orange zest, and mix well to incorporate. Pour mixture evenly over the graham crackers. Add blackberries and raspberries on top of the pudding by pushing them into the mixture to make desired presentation. Cover with plastic wrap and place in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours or overnight, and enjoy this cold summer dessert. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.